I'm Gary Tide. We're here at the Catalyst in Santa Cruz with Eddie Rice of Eddie and the Tide. And Eddie, before we start, I want to say one thing. Eddie, darling, you look marvelous.
Thank you, Bo. It's good to be here. It really is. Our hometown.
One thing I wanted to say was that I saw you shooting your video down at the beach the other day, and I was really impressed by the sincerity of your smile throughout the whole thing. Was it really that much fun?
Well, we're shooting a video down at the Dream Inn for One in a Million, and with all those girls around me, Bo, what could I do, man? It was too much. The guys were having a lot of fun, though. We had a lot of fun with the video down there. We really did.
Now that you got the major album and a new single, and you're working on the video, One in a Million, it's been a bit of an accelerated pace. How's it been coping with that?
Well, it has changed a lot of things. I just hadn't been around much lately. Santa Cruz used to be my hometown. Now, Bo, I don't know where my hometown is anymore. I'm trying to figure that one out. I think the road is my home.
That's where it's going to be for a while, I'm sure. What about major influences? Is there anyone in particular that's been a major influence to you?
Well, growing up in Nashville, I was influenced a lot by a little bit of country music since I'm from Nashville, and also I listened to just the top 40 radio back in Nashville growing up. Creedence Clearwater was a big influence. I always liked them. And then I like Todd Rundgren a lot, too.
One last thing. Are you going to still play Santa Cruz and play the Catalyst?
Oh, Bo, I'm sure we will. I'm sure we will.
Well, we're going to hold you to that. We got it on film.
It's on film.
Okay, I think that's about it from now. We're going to be doing the show shortly, and thanks for coming by and chatting with us, and I'm sure we'll be seeing more of you.
Well, thanks, Bo. Thanks.